Hi, it's Hardreset, and today I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first flip your phone like that, and in here is the microphone. You can clean it with the soft brush or compressed air, just non-metallic tools. Then go into the voice recorder, sound recorder, anything that you have, and hello, as you can see it's working. Just test. Now we can go into the settings, type in the microphone access, and enable the microphone access. Back to the sounds and vibration, scroll down to advanced, sound enhancement, and as you can see there isn't any noise suppression settings, so we don't have anything to disable, but if you have it, then disable the noise suppression. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.